I want to show you the first steps I do at the beginning of each customer project. The steps are to create project-specific symbol library, footprint library, and library for 3D models. And additionally, I have a small tip for you. So let's start with the symbol library. Go to the symbol editor, create new library, new project-specific library. That will be placed inside the project folder, and I create for it the folder libraries, and inside of it another folder called symbol, and inside the symbol folder there will be a new library called demo for that purposes. And I recommend not to use any numbers like versioning, because for the revisions you would need to change the links to the symbol library in all project files, which is not so hard, so difficult, but I recommend to keep it without the numbers. So let's go to the footprint editor to create footprint libraries. So let's create project-specific library. Libraries in the folder footprint, and the name will be demo as well, without numbers, as I said before. So here it is, and additionally in the footprint editor I recommend to add another one as a small tip, and this is a KiCAD pool, as I call it, which is just a folder inside of my download folder, and it's used for importing libraries from 𝗍𝗫𝗄, Ultra Librarian, etc. So it saves me time, because I just copy the library files inside of the KiCAD pool folder, and the KiCAD knows already where to look for the footprint libraries. So this is it, and I mentioned 3D models. So inside the libraries folder I create the 3D folder as well. So the project is ready to start with.